An emergency vehicle is a very complicated apparatus with several different devices operating simultaneously. Design committees do their best to choose reliable products, but in this operating environment, something is bound to fail at some point. When a device does malfunction, it's critical to be able to rapidly diagnose the problem. The OmniPlex system provides advanced diagnostics to simplify troubleshooting in the field. No PC is needed. The system provides full diagnostics from the apparatus screen. Operators are able to view input and output operation in real time, as well as reading output current to see if a device is drawing the correct power. The system also has the capability to store documents and video files for accessing things like wiring diagrams or troubleshooting videos right on the apparatus screen. These advanced features help keep your apparatus running at peak capabilities at all times. Spec the best.